let's say this, if the average of 5 consecutive even numbers is 44, then what is the highest number? So they are asking you about the 5 consecutive numbers which are even, right? So before solving it, let me tell you one small concept. Whenever there is a series of numbers which are all in AP, and if you try to find out the average of it, it is always going to be the middle value. So what I mean to say is, let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, and if I want to try to find out the average of it, since all these numbers are in AP, arithmetic progression, with a difference of 1, right, the middle value is the average of it, right? So why should that be so is, you can clearly see it, right? So this one and this one, if we decrement 1 from it and add 1 to it, it is going to be 3. If we decrement 2 from it and add to it, it is going to be 3. Got it? So that is how you are going to get it. It need not be starting from 1. For example, if you say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is there. Now they are all sequence of numbers, and all these numbers are in AP, isn't it? Therefore, the middle number is going to be the average of that, which means this one is the average, right? Now the other case is, what if there is no middle value, which means what if two values are going to be in the middle, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? In this case there are two values which are called the middle values. Now you have to find out the average of these two values. That will be the average, which means 6 plus 8 by 2. So 14 by 2 is 7. Got it? Okay. Now given in this question, they are saying that there are 5 consecutive even numbers. So if you assume that the first even number is A, then what will be the 5 consecutive even numbers? A plus 2, A plus 4, A plus 6 and A plus 8. These are the 5 consecutive even numbers, right? Now the average is given as 44, which means the middle value is given as 44, right? So A plus 4 is equal to 44. Then what will be the value of A? 40. Then what is asked? What is the highest value? So highest value of this is 40 plus 8 is 48. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.